It's Thursday. Let me get back up. We are not doing anything. I'm sitting in my comfy chair right here. Chris and Brad are working on figuring this out. We've been out here for probably an hour and they've been figuring out how to do this tongue. So, well, that was a project, wasn't it, Bunny? Yep. Bunny, I meant honey. Be careful.
What are you gonna do? Put it on the jig.
Everything's falling off. The welding has started. Oh, you got your welding cap on, babe.
Well, I'm not welding, I'm just packing. .162 to the notch, 165 to the center of the ball.
Okay.
162 to the notch. .165 the ball.
All right, there's the tongue. Just gotta get it welded and.
That only took 6 hours to do.
It's pretty important. So where do you cut this off at? Right here?
What? You don't cut it off. Bend it. You don't cut it, you bend it.
You bend it.
That's another thing. Let's measure this.
Holy cow. Oh. You just gonna hulk it?
19 and 8. See, Brad, you gonna hold it right here, and I'm gonna grab it right here.
Let me see you try to bend it. Let me see.
I can't show that on the video.
Oh, it's gonna be secretive stuff. You don't want to touch it?
I started to.
Probably a bit hot, isn't it, hun?
Probably. Right here.
All right. Got that welded up. And of course, we are doing this trailer upside down, so we've got to flip it over. That's why it looks weird. Just so he can weld the underside really well.
Hi guys. So we got the tongue welded on from about this bend back. I still got to weld the front half of the tongue, and still got to weld the receipt or the hitch, whatever that thing's called, hitch plate, whatever you want to call that darn thing. Still got to weld that on. It's just tacked. It's coming along good. We made a lot of progress tonight, getting these things right here on, getting the hitch squared to the or the receiver. No, that's not the receiver. Whatever that is. The tongue squared to the center of the axles, and getting that bend made and getting this thing welded on. That was a big thing for me tonight. I really wanted to get that done. Tomorrow, we've got a couple of things to do tomorrow. So I'm not sure if I'll get much at all done out here tomorrow, but I will have a lot done Saturday. I hope, well, I'm not even gonna speak that up. Anyways, Saturday's plan is going to be to make runners, just like back here where the dovetail is, to make runners all the way down on both sides. That way the tread plate will have something to mount to. I would like to get my box built, like I was telling you guys the other night in the video, the toolbox here for the lift pump, the air hose and all that. I got to get a couple more braces up here for the flooring in the box. The flooring in the box is going to be treated plywood just to save on weight. And Dallas just ordered us our trailer brakes, got us a trailer jack coming, all the lights, all the wiring. I think we pretty much got everything we need for the major things, correct?
I pray to God. I'm having
fenders. We didn't get fenders.
I'm having to place a $100 order, I feel like, every single day, and I'm tired of it.
Can you change your order real quick? Fenders. Need two sets of fenders.
We'll get them at the end. Get them later.
$200.
Let me recover.
Didn't get fenders. So, and with it being spread axles, we're gonna have to get the half moon.
You know what you're saying to that?
No, I told you, I wore out today. I've had a heck of a week this week, so yeah, we're gonna shut the video down. Oh yeah, and one other thing, I'm gonna make some gussets out of I'm gonna get some plate steel and make some gussets to run down here. It is 3 3/8 of an inch, or 3 1/8 of an inch from both sides. Dead on the money on both sides. That was perfect. That's exactly the way I planned it to. Get that gusseted up. Hopefully it'll add some strength there, and we can start buttoning this thing up. If I could get everything here this weekend and hopefully have everything on the bottom side done, I would love to be able to pull it out this weekend and get it flipped over. That way next week we could start building the box for the four-wheeler and the spring smasher and toolbox and all that. So y'all know how our plans go, so hopefully everything goes good, and hopefully nothing drastic happen. Is it drastic?
Yeah.
Drastic happens, and nothing alters that. So.
And hopefully he picks up the camera Saturday, because I won't be here.
Yeah, she's laying out on me. So, anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Head on over to Patreon. Get signed up over there. If you hadn't already, hit that like, share, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you think. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate all of our partners: Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barrett Apparel Co., WJI Enterprise, Fatdaddys Crew, Brinn Transmission, Penske Shocks, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes, BB Designs. All you guys over here on YouTube. We'll catch you guys next time.